We're looking here at the back wall. I took an initial measurement with the string tied approximately 6.5, almost. Claire, hold it real straight. So about just over 6 inches above ground level here, which is at the line of the bottom row of cinder blocks. So I measured based on a standardized height of the bottom row of cinder blocks as my initial measuring point. Part of the no, Claire, shh. Part of the reason why I did that is because the slope actually goes up when we get to the house. If I had started at ground level, it would be on the ground by the time I got to the back porch measurement over there by the barbecue. So Claire, please walk carefully and don't touch the string over to the next post by the barbecue. So we checked for level all the way along. Claire, yes, correct, come on. So here is the next level point, which you can see is actually just slightly below. Claire, hold it right next to the stick, please. Okay, so that's basically at ground level, and I had to do that just so that I could get a clear, clean level. And Claire, let me see this for a second. Okay, so this is, the stick itself is probably almost 2 inches below the top of the concrete curb. So below the top of the concrete curb is 1.5, roughly 1.5. Okay, so then it goes over to this point over here at the corner of the house. It's okay, I got it, Claire. The corner of the house, we are at about 1 inch above ground level is this same constant level mark, which you'll notice is about almost 7 inches below the base of the house onto the foundation. So roughly just over 6 inches of the foundation is currently exposed at this ground level, which actually goes down. I don't know if you can see this grade, but it goes down from the ground level away to the wall. This is not level surface. I don't know. So you can see here's a level, and that bubble is not in the middle. We would have to lift this end up. Actually, I've got it going the wrong way. We have to lift this end up. But long story short, that end is higher than in the middle or over here. I can do that measurement later. So then this goes along here. Here's my next level spot. And here where we end up, it is at a mark that is approximately 8 inches above the actual ground level, which, as you can see, that level is very close to the exact bottom of the foundation. You can see the crack underneath. Right here where this concrete pad is, used to be a mound of dirt. They basically built up the dirt next to the house and poured an initial pad about where the level of that step is. And then I said, a mound of dirt is not the same height as the rest of the side yard. So they cut it down and did a flat pad closer to the level of the rest of the side yard. The challenge is the discrepancy between the back patio cement to here. Although if my measuring is correct, it may only be about 8 inches or so of differential from this measurement spot here, which comes over to here. So maybe plus an extra 1.5 or 2, maybe 10 inches difference from off the back patio to over at the RV gate here. And the challenge is I want one continuous piece of concrete to go from this back patio here all the way around this corner and down through the RV gate. So there is my challenge.